Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to check internal storage value in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. There are three ways to check internal storage. First way, just go to the settings of our phone here. Then go to RAM and storage space, and here we will find a total space of internal value. Okay, so internal storage is 256 GB. Okay, total out of 256 GB, 24.40 GB used. Okay, so this is one way of checking internal storage value. Then other way, next way, second way, for just go to the settings first, then go to about phone, and here you can find internal storage, that is phone storage option. Here it is written as 256 GB, so your phone has 256 internal storage. Then third way of checking internal storage value, go to files, and here you will find internal storage. Here free space will be showing, that is 232 GB free. Okay, that means it should be above 232, so probably it is 256 GB internal storage. So in these three methods you can check internal storage value in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.